All right, well, I'm back out here at the normal place I normally fly at. It's a little bit nicer today than the last time I was out here. Still a little bit of a wind, but whatever. What are you gonna do? It's warmer at least. That's a good thing. It's not sunny, extremely overcast. Spring. What are you gonna do? So the last time I flew my 7-inch, I did not have my trying to stop the wind here. I did not have my GPS activated in the settings. Stupid. So I'm gonna fly this today and check out the GPS. I am not gonna do return to home. I'm just gonna make sure that the GPS is actually just working. When I'm inside my house, I don't get any signal except for like two really weak signals from some satellites. So I know that that part is working. I just want to see how it works for speed, distance, and that type of stuff. I'm also going to be, for the sheer fun of it, also going to be flying an iFlight Bumblebee. So, all right. All right, so I got this all plugged in, but it doesn't seem like I'm picking up any satellites. All I'm getting is blinkies. Let's give it some time. I know it can sometimes take a little bit of time, but it's completely open air. There's nothing blocking me at all. I mean, there's some metal fences here, but it shouldn't be an issue. Well, if I don't require any satellites, I'm still gonna fly it though. So, look around, make sure no. Good. Yeah, I'm not acquiring any satellites at all. Hell with it, I'm still gonna fly it. Yes, I know, rescue's off. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try this iFlight naked Bumblebee, my Green Hornet, and I'm gonna put a full-size action cam under. And let's see how this flies. All right, hopefully it flies. There is an a-hole with a dog up there, so I'll just have to be careful not to fly over there. Oh, I probably gotta plug it in.
Telemetry recovered.
All right, here we go. What? The hell? Okay. All right, so not a very successful day so far, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna throw this stuff in Betaflight, figure out what the problem is, and then I'll be back out. Okay, so there is a couple video files that I recorded or thought I recorded with the GoPro, and it ended up not happening because I think the battery life was too low, and I don't know, I had a weird glitch happen. Who knows? Anyway, so I'm gonna do it now. I did not get the chance to mess with the GPS on the 7-inch. So the next part of this video is just gonna be on the Green Hornet, on the Cinewhoop. And what I'm doing with that is I'm messing with the tune on it. And I kind of mess with the expo, and I mess with the yaw, pitch, and roll rates. They were at like $9.90 or whatever for y'all pitch and roll, and I brought those down to $500 for the first flight. Now the first flight that I did, I was actually I did not run it with the full GoPro on the quad. I ran it just pretty much just the battery. I don't have footage of that. Then I came back and I ran it with a GoPro. And then on my third video, which for some reason Real Steady Go won't touch. I have no idea. My GoPro, I just got it back in the mail the other day, yesterday actually, and it's just, who knows? It's stupid. It's a GoPro. It wouldn't Real Steady Go it, so it's going to be a little shaky and jerky because there's absolutely no stabilization. So sorry for that. That one I raised my rates from 500 to 600 just to see how it would do. And yeah, that's it. All right, I'm out here with boosted FPV, just doing some flying at our Nordic wear area. And right in front of my car, where I parked, Boosted noticed something that's kind of fucked up. A whole bunch of syringes. Yep. How much you want to bet some meth head comes back over here and starts using those? Oh, you gotta love meth heads, crackheads, heroin users, whatever the fuck they are. Yeah, just, well, they don't care. At least it doesn't have HIV, right? Jesus. Yeah, you can burn off the HIV. Oh my gosh. Okay, so pretty much what I'm doing here is fucking around with the iFlight Green Hornet that I purchased from this gentleman right here. And I am just trying to mess with the tuning on it so it flies a little bit more like a cinewhoop. So now it does fly. Flies good, I would say, right? Fly good? Yeah, see? I got the boosted brand of approval. Of course, I bought it from him, so of course he's gonna say it flies good.
Of course it works, I sold it to you.
Yeah, of course it works, it's perfect. It's like new. Just loaded with a shit ton of Corrosion X. I spent 2 hours cleaning the Corrosion X off this thing. I have my max rate at, well, this doesn't work very well because it's, anyhow, I have my max rates here at 500. I'm gonna raise them up to 600, see if they do a little bit better with handling the weight of the GoPro. I have no idea how to do rates. I have no idea how to do tuning, so trial by error. thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.